So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom photo book using our website. So before we get started, we want to upload some more photos to be able to work with. So we're going to go up to upload. As you can see, we have the two photos that we used in the previous videos, but we need some more. So what we're going to do is actually create a new collection. And this is a really helpful way to keep your photos organized. So we can give this collection a name. We'll just call it photo book and hit save. Now we've created this new collection, but there's no photos in here, so we need to upload them. Go to add photos, and I have some prepared here, so we'll select all of these and bring them in. Now, as you can see, they're all just uploading to the website. Okay, as you can see, we have all our photos uploaded now, and we can go create our photo book. So we'll go up to create, and we're looking at books. And we have some choices here for the types of books we can choose. I'm going to choose one of our lay flat books. And these books are really great because when they're open, the pages stay completely flat, so you can view the pictures without any distortion. We'll select that. And now we have some more options for the cover of the book and the size of the book. I'm going to choose our 11 by 8.5 printed hardcover. This book actually allows you to make a custom cover with your own images for the book. So you not only get to customize the layout and the pages of the book, you also get to customize the front and back cover. And we have some more templates here, just like with the cards. For this example, I'm going to choose the white book template, something a little more neutral. Okay, and now we can give our project a name. And now we have the option to manually place each of our photos into the photo book, or we can actually use autofill, which will automatically place our photos into the book. And then we can go in and rearrange them and make adjustments afterwards. So we have autofill checked off, and as you can see, we have our collections down here. I'm going to check out our photo book collection, and we'll hit next. So right here, it's just asking us how many photos we would like on each page of the photo book. We could just have 1 or 2 photos per page, 3, 4, or we could mix it up and have a varying amount of photos per page. So we'll just do that. And since we only have 50 photos, we're going to do 20 pages. Okay, so here we are in the photo book creator. As you can see, it automatically populated the pages of the photo book with our images. And in this left panel here, we can see which photos are in use and which aren't. So the ones that have the green check down here are the ones that are currently in the photo book. Now, let's say, for example, we dragged this fox photo into the space of this one. All we need to do is click and drag right into the spot. And now, since we were already using this photo somewhere else in the photo book, there's a check and a 2 next to it. So that's letting us know that this photo is showing up twice. Alright, so if we go back to thumbnails, we can see the entire book again. And from here, we can change the order of the pages, like so. We can also add pages. We can add as many pages as we want, 2 at a time. So let's say we want to add a couple pages. We can go into these new pages now and look up different layouts for them. So if we open the layouts tab here on the left, you can see we have a bunch of preset layouts for us to choose from. So let's say if we wanted to try this one, all we have to do is click on it and it'll change the layout on our page. We can then go back to our photos and drag each of them into where we want them to be and adjust them how we like. Also, if we select individual photos, we can change the positioning of them on the page however we like. We can rotate. We can change the size of the image. We can also, if we'd like, go to the Backgrounds tab on the left here and actually select a different color background. So we might like something more like that. You'll also notice that when we select an image, we have this toolbar that pops up here on the bottom for some easy access tools. We can zoom. We can rotate the image. We can customize the color of the border and the size of the border. We can actually set a photo as a background, like that. If we happen to have two images that are overlapping, bring forward and send back will change how these images are layered. And of course, we also have the option to remove a photo, add another one, or we can add a text box if we like. When you're editing a text box, you can type in anything you like. And we have basic options for the text down here, including size, font, bold, or italic. We can also change the font color. Okay, and once we're satisfied with the design of our book, we're going to want to save our project, and then we can now continue to the next step where we're going to be able to customize the cover of the book. So we can choose from a few different cover templates. I'm going to choose the multi-photo cover. So this will allow us to put a photo on the front and a different photo on the back, along with a title. So as you can see, we have the front of the book and the back of the book labeled here. 2 spots for photos and text. So we can choose a photo for our cover. Alright, so let's say we choose this one. Drag it into the front cover. We can now adjust the position of the image. Can fill in the text box. So first, since this is the title, I'm going to bring the font size up a bit. Now I'm going to change the color of the font. White would work for this. And we'll call this Landscapes. Adjust the position. And now we can choose a photo for the back cover. Choose this one. Bring it over. We'll adjust it a little bit. And we can edit this text box as well. I'm just going to make the same adjustments here as I did with the first text box so that they match. That looks good. And I'm not going to use this last text box, so I'm going to delete that. And there we have the front and back covers of our photo book. So now we want to make sure we save our project again. And we can now add it to the cart. Alright, and we have this item saved in our cart. We also have it saved in our projects, so we can continue shopping or we can proceed with the checkout.